I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be right.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony if you are new here, and today's video I am bringing you guys another laundry video. I have definitely been on the roll with these type of videos, but I just wanted to bring you guys another one just in case you are needing any type of motivation to get something done today. So let's go ahead and get into it.
Sing all the melodies that take me to your heart. I belong to you. Take me to your soul.
In today's video, I'm actually going to change it up, and we are going to fold clothes in Ebony's bedroom just to give you guys another scenery. But if you are needing to tackle that 1 or 2 loads of laundry, or either just fold your laundry or just simply make your bed, definitely go ahead and do so. You'll definitely feel better after it's completed because you're checking that one thing off of your to-do list that you had today. Also want to give you guys a layout of the next few videos. So Sunday's video will actually be a clean and organize with me. I'll be tackling the entryway area as far as spring organizing, and then also on Sunday's video, I'm doing some deep cleaning in the shower. So I'm going to be giving you some cleaning motivation and some organizing motivation in that video. And then the next video will most likely be another laundry motivation video. And then the next one I'm really excited about, which is me doing the peel and stick DIY backsplash in the kitchen that I was telling you guys about in the previous video. But that video will actually be out next Sunday. So definitely go ahead and subscribe if you want to see the before and after of that. I know you guys are going to love it, and I can't wait to share it with you all.
So fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the
One thing I found that is very helpful, especially with Ebony's clothes, because she goes in her drawers all the time and gets her own clothes, especially on the weekend. But whenever we are putting up the laundry, I found that to go ahead and, like, if some of the clothes are unfolded, to go ahead and fold it and organize it a little bit. It definitely saves some time to where I don't have to spend like a whole day doing that. So every time I fold her laundry and then put it up, I'll sort of take that 2 to 3 minutes to reorganize that space.
Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love.
Is this what you want now? Feels like you're looking for something better. Uh-huh, uh-huh. Is this what you want now? Or is it because you can't forget her? Uh-huh, uh-huh. I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me.
So the last load we're going to fold today is towels. I have been switching it up recently in my previous videos, but today we are going to end with folding the towels. For some reason, I feel like this is therapeutic and makes the last load go fairly quickly because it's easy to fold and then it's also easy to put up.
So I can focus, I just need to focus on myself. This is what I want now. And yeah, I'm waiting for something better. Yeah. This is what I want now. No, I won't settle for anything else. I can't keep pretending.
So I have a question for you guys, and I would love for you to let me know in the comments below. When you purchase your towels in bulk, do you purchase the same colors? Do you get colorful with it? Do you purchase like all black? I want to know what your preference is. Several years ago when we purchased these towels, I was definitely into not really caring what type of towels I purchased as far as the color goes. So we have like green towels, blue towels, polka dotted towels, pretty much any color towels. For some reason, all of these like are the neutral colors, but like you see at the top of that shelf, you'll see all the different colorful towels. So I just want to know in the comments below what you prefer. Are you picky about your towels, or you really don't care? Because looking back at it, I wish I would have purchased like all gray or all white or all black, because the color definitely throws me off sometimes. But I'm just curious, so just let me know in the comments below.
Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. So I can focus, I just need to focus on myself, baby.
I want to thank you guys for watching this laundry motivation video. I know it was pretty short and sweet, but I hope it got you off the couch to get something done today. And like I always say, if that's just to simply make your bed, I am still proud of you. Don't forget that I'll have a video out on Sunday at 3 p.m. and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
what you want now. Feels like you're looking for something